Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel JazTech. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to use WhatsApp in computer or in laptop. For that, the first procedure is you need to link your WhatsApp from your mobile phone to your computer or laptop. For that, here you can see my WhatsApp is on in the mobile phone. On the top right corner, there are three buttons. I'm tapping on that. And here the third option is link devices. Click on that, and here the thing is written use WhatsApp on other devices. You need to click on link a device option, and here the camera will be on, and here my laptop is on, and I typed here from the Google web whatsapp.com, and just tap on that link. And here it will ask you to scan the QR code. And that's it. You can see here that the Google Chrome window is active. Now here, as you can see that my WhatsApp is open in the laptop. So this is the procedure to view your WhatsApp in the laptop. That's it. Thank you.